Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm giving you a surprise. So leo niko Nyahururu. So today we are doing this house. It's a brand new house located here in Nyahururu in a place called Equator. So the distance from the road is less than 200 meters and the house is going for 3.5 million Kenyan shillings. So if you are looking for a house in this specific area of Nyahururu, you can check this out. Maybe you can consider it. So I want to give you a house tour of the whole house so that you can see what it has to offer. So let's go. So guys, this is the house. It's a 3 bedroom located here in Equator in Nyahururu. So let's get inside and see. And before that, I should show you the compound. Let me show the compound from this angle here. So that's the gate right there. So then let's get to the house. So this is the entryway. So upon getting to the house, we have this space right here, right there. Let me show you the tile. Also, let me know what you think about this tile and the color of the house. Let me know in the comment section. So the universal color of the whole house is cream. And yeah, so let's get in. We see the lounge. So this is the lounge. So remember, the house is located here in Equator in Nyahururu, and the house is going for 3.5 million Kenyan shillings. So that is the space of this particular house. So this is the tile work of the house. So this is supposed to be the lounge this way. So the lounge has 2 windows. So we have that window right there, and then we have this other one right here, and that is the space up there. So that's how it looks like. And then so this space right here is supposed to serve as the dining. So this is supposed to serve as the dining. It has that one window right there, as you've seen. And then so this whole area here is supposed to serve as the dining, so you can be able to see the lounge right there. So that's the lounge. So in the dining here we have this sink right here to serve the diners right there. So let me know your thoughts about this particular house. Let me know what you think. Going for 3.5 million Kenyan shillings here in Equator in Nyahururu. So if you're looking forward to invest here in Nyahururu, you can consider this one. So this is the kitchen. So you're going to forgive us. There are some materials that have been kept here because currently no one is living, but you can ignore that. So this is supposed to be the kitchen. So we have that double sink right there, and then we have a window right there. So we have that window right there, and then we have this space right here. So remember, this is the kitchen. Ignore that bed right there. So yeah, so this is the kitchen, and that is the dining from the kitchen. So we also have this door here that connects the outside to the kitchen. So yeah, so let me show you the rooms, the other rooms. So this is so from the kitchen or from the lounge, we have this connection here to the bedrooms. So then we have that space right there. So we have that space right there. You can be able to see that the color of the whole of the walls is cream. So we have cream and the doors being blue. So yeah, we have that space right there, which directly have a common washroom. So we have this common washroom here to serve the 2 bedrooms because the other bedroom is a master en suite. This sink serves this common washroom right here, and that's the tile work of this particular house. And then that's the washroom right there. Then yeah, so the color of the walls of the washroom is that one right there. Let me show you. And then we have the door being blue like that. So that is the one that serves the 2 bedrooms, since the 2 of them are not master and suite. One of them is master and suite. First bedroom that we are going to tour. Don't mind the things that have been stored here, just ignore that. So yeah, so we have, so each bedroom has only one window. So let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. So, and then that's the tile work. I think all the tiles of the bedrooms in the living room are like this. So yeah, so one thing that is missing in these bedrooms are the closets. So also let me know your thoughts on that. So this house doesn't have closets at all, at all. It just comes like that. So let's go to the other bedroom, which is also not a master in suite. So we have this bedroom right here. As you can see, still one window, very much similar to the other bedroom. Let me show you from this angle. So that's the size of this bedroom. And then we have that window right there, that door, blue door. So this is the color of all the doors. So let's now go to the other bedroom, which is a master en suite. So this is the bedroom, and then here is where we have a sink, and then we have the washroom right here, serving this as the master bedroom. The bedroom. So remember, one thing that I've noted is that this house doesn't have closets. So I don't know, what are your thoughts on that? Just let me know in the comment section what you think. So yeah, that is the space of the master bedroom. This one is supposed to serve as the master bedroom. And also the tile work looks like that. So let me know what you think. Let me know what should have been done better in this particular house. So yeah, I think that is the last bedroom, which is the master and suite. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys. All investors, let me know what you think about this particular house located here in Nyahururu. Let me know whether it's worth the money that is being quoted. So the owner is quoting it at 3.5 million Kenyan shillings, slightly negotiable. So that means you can buy it less than that amount. So let me show you the exterior of the house. So that's the exterior of the house. It's a bungalow. So that's how it looks like. So guys, this is the exterior. So this is the space. Remember, it's a 50 by 100 located here in Equator in Nyahururu, and it's going for 3.5 million together with the house. So this is the space that is supposed to serve as the compound. Then we have the gate right there being a black gate, as you can see right there. So let me know whether you would invest in such an area and whether the house is worth the amount quoted. The neighborhood is very green, and that's the house right there. And then let me show you the neighborhood. Let me show you the neighborhood actually. So this is the gate right here. guys, that is the tour of this 3 bedroom bungalow here in Nyahururu in a place called Equator. So the house is going for 3.5 million, very slightly negotiable. So if you're interested to look for a place, a home here in Nyahururu in Nyandarua County, you can consider this one. So until next time, my name is Mercy Njeri. You can subscribe to the channel. Here we do a lot of real estate. We do house tours, construction, and a lot more in Nakuru and beyond. Like today, we're in Nyahururu. So expect more from us and make sure that you subscribe. Also, make sure that you like this video. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.